Hi everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial on GIS and RS Solution. I hope you all are doing fantastic. In this video, we will learn how to perform terrain analysis including slope, aspect and hillshade using Google Earth Engine. uh, we will go through some steps like how to download a DEM, adding the study area, how to clip DEM based on the study area, calculating slope, aspect, and hillshade, how to center your map layer on the area of interest, how to visualize DEM, slope, aspect, and hillshade using different color bars, and how to export or download all the output maps to Google Drive, and finally map preparation using ArcGIS. I hope you all find this tutorial helpful and informative. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first I will go to assets and I will add my study area. My study area is Dhaka district. I will add the shapefile using import. So my area of interest has been added. I will name it AOI, area of interest, and then just go to search bar and write SRTM DEM, and then you will find NASA SRTM digital elevation 30-meter. So here you can see, yeah, this one, or you can add, click import. So my study area and DEM has been already added. So I'm going to rename the DEM as SRTM, and after that I will clip the DEM based on my study area. For doing that, I will call variable DEM and then function srtm dot clip based on my area of interest. So my DEM has been clipped based on my study area, and then then I will calculate slope, aspect, and hillshade. So for doing that, I'll call variable. I will name it slope and then function wtn dot slope using DEM. Yes. Similarly, do for spect and hillshade. Just copy this and paste and just change the name here. Variable spect, and then here it will spect. Same for hillshade. Variable hillshade. I'm writing hillshade and then also here hillshade. Slope, aspect, and hillshade calculation has been done, and now I will center the map layer on my area of interest. So I will call, I'm writing function map dot center object AY and zoom level 10, and if you run, then you can see your area of interest. Yes, here, and then I will visualize digital elevation model DEM. For that, I will write function mapped dot add layer, and DEM second bracket, and then minimum 0 and maximum 200, and palette, I mean color, third bracket, and write color blue, lowest, and as the progress it will be highest, green, yellow, orange, then red and brown. So blue is the lowest and brown is the highest elevation. Close second bracket and DEM. Yes, and then click run. Yes, this is the DEM. You can see here. And then for slope visualization, how to visualize slope in the map, just copy and then paste, just change the name and value and palette, map add layer, slope and maximum 60, and then palette will be changed here. Here also it will be slope and color green, and then yellow, and then orange, red, uh, dark red, maroon. Okay, slope visualization has been done, and then click run, and you can see your output visualization for slope. If you zoom in, you can see, yes, the highest and lowest degree of slope. And then for spect, how to visualize a spect, and just copy and then paste here and change the name, map.add layer, it will be aspect, and then maximum 360, and palette also will be changed. Direction, yes, north, northeast, east. Actually aspect is the aspect is direction of slope. And then close second bracket, and then write aspect, and then close first bracket, and after that click run. You can see the aspect. It is basically a direction of slope, as I mentioned earlier. And then how to visualize Hillshade. So for doing that, I'll copy this and then paste here, and we'll change accordingly. For here slope, it will be Hillshade, and minimum, maximum to 55, and then palette will be also changed. Blue, um, palette black, gray, and white, and here I'll rename it as Hillshade. And now I will click on run. You can see the output Hillshade. Yes, you can see here. Very easy process, I think. I will share the code in the description section for your practice purpose. Anyway, and then I will export the result or output in my Google Drive. And how to perform it: export.image.to drive, this function, and image, first slope and description, slope scale 30, then region, area of interest, and maximum pixels, this, uh, and for aspect description, it will also be aspect, and then scale 30, region, area of interest, and maximum pixels 1e13, and for Hillshade image, it will be Hillshade, and description also will be changed Hillshade, and then scale 30, region, area of interest, and maximum pixels will be same. After all doing that, click run, and it is in progress, and you can see in task that yes, slope, aspect, and Hillshade, it has been added here, and you can check here, and then just click on run. Yeah, task name scale 30 millimeter, and drive, file name and file format, it will be geotiff, and then click on run, and it is downloading in your drive. Then for aspect, same, drive, file name and file format, and then click run. It is in progress for downloading. And then Hillshade, same process, just click run. Yep, submitted task. Oh, you can see over here it has been already downloaded. Now I will check my Google Drive. Just click here and open in Drive, click here, and you can see here my output image has been downloaded here. Spec Hillshade slope. Yes, now we can download from here. Yes, and then slope, download. You can see the output file as UTIF, and now you can create map using ArcGIS. For slope, you can see I've added slope, and then go to properties and then classified. You can change the color ramp and label. I click format label tree, and you can see over here, then click OK. You can see the slope. You can also check out my other videos on how to prepare maps in ArcGIS. There are many available on my channel. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this easy tutorial. For more tutorials on GIS, remote sensing, environmental modeling, and related topics, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to join our Facebook group and like our Facebook page to stay connected. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.